Hey guys, Money here, and in this video I'm bringing you guys a new way to get inside of the FIB building in GTA 5 Online. This is very easy to do. Unfortunately, you do need a friend and you do need a helicopter. It doesn't matter what helicopter. You just need to make sure that you park it like how I do in this clip right here. As you can see, the left skid of the helicopter with the driver's door is facing the window, and the left skid is right on the white part of the roof there. And then once you have it parked like that, you just want to go ahead, get inside of the helicopter, and have your friend pull you out. If you've parked it correctly, he will throw you right through the building, and there you go. You're pretty much in the glitch, and you're now inside of the FIB building. You can go ahead and explore pretty much every floor that you could have in the story mode mission, where you're the firefighter with Michael Franklin and all of them. It is actually pretty cool because you can explore the whole thing. If you do want to jump out of the building, you need to find the roof that or the one area that I find and walk out, because you can't actually jump out of the broken windows. It's weird. It doesn't let you actually jump out. But that's towards the end of the clip. If you want to know how to get out without just killing yourself, you can just skydive out of the building. But yeah, it's very cool to actually explore the whole building. It's all burnt out too in some of the floors, like as you can see right now from the story mode mission. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. You can go ahead and watch the rest of it if you'd like, and if you do enjoy the video, you can go ahead and leave a like, as that would really help me out, and subscribe if you haven't. I am trying to get back up to 500 plus subscribers that I was at before YouTube fucking deleted me for no reason. So this is the new channel for now. I'll probably get deleted as well eventually, but I don't know, I don't really care. This is really the only thing that's keeping me gaming right now, so I'm just going to keep going at it. If I need to make a new channel or go on to another video website like Dailymotion or something like that, I will, and just keep content for you guys. This is the only thing that's keeping me gaming. So I do hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.